Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn about how to use gradients in Canva. Using gradients in Canva can be a little bit difficult because we might face some kinds of problems, like when you are going to elements, you might not found your specific color or gradients. Like when you're going to document colors, you won't be able to find gradient option here, which I am able to find. Sometimes when you are going for certain elements, you won't be able to find gradient section here, but when you are editing the background of certain post, you will be able to find gradients here. Just select any of the gradients that they have here. Now what do we do if we want to select an element or shape and we want to customize them? So there is no specific option for that. So what we will do is that we'll go to element and we will search for contribute ordinary. Just tap on that and make sure to use the @ and here you will be able to see square shapes of gradients. In this type of shapes you will be able to customize as your own. As you can see, beside the edit option here, I have the option to use my colors. Like you can use a color here and it will be auto blended in Canva. It is super easy to use gradients like this, and you can also go for different types of shapes that they have here, like this type of shapes, and also you will be able to customize any shapes that they have available in the all section or graphics section. We'll just remove the heart shapes one here. And then we will customize our colors here. As you can see, this purple and yellow blends good together. So the key to use a mesh gradient or gradients to a specific elements, or to even use a specific shaped element, you can just go to elements and search for contribute Denny. That's all for today. If you like our video, stay with Think Big Digital and make sure to subscribe to our channel and like all of our videos. See you in the next video.